September we met.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvonne Okeke and here is Yvonne Okeke's channel. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can get notified each time I post my videos. By the way, I post my videos every Tuesdays and Fridays twice a week. Isn't that enough for you guys? By the way, I'm in school and I'm recording in school, I'm filming in school, and this is my bed. So I'm going to change the environment because I'm not at home. As you can see, it's dark and it's late, so long story short. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my wonderful hair from the hair Caterers on Instagram. Can you see how long it is and how full it is? So guys, this hair is a budget-friendly premium synthetic wig. It's a fiber. This hair is super duper soft and it's at 17,000 naira on their page. So to order this hair, I'm going to show you guys how I ordered this hair from their website just right now.
Guys, this is how I made my order and this is what their Instagram page looks like. So I'm going to scroll up to show you what it looks like. So I click on their website and it takes, I'll click on the link on their bio and then it takes me to their website. My network is slow. Yeah, so it's great to go ahead and open their website for me, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I then scroll up to show you guys. Hey Charlotte baby. So I'm just gonna scroll up to show you guys what they have. They have synthetic wigs, and then they have bundle and waves, and then they have hair care. So I'm going to click on synthetic wig because that's where I got mine. Yo. And then I'm going to scroll up to search for my Caterers in OP430. I'm going to search for it and yes, found it. So this is it over here. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to select options. I'm going to click on select options and it's going to take me here, and then I'm going to show you the colors that are in. You can see bold is written 17,000. They have color 1B, 2, 4 brown, and then OP430, and that's the one I took. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click add to cart, and then I'm going to click on my cart. Just to show you, click on my cart. And this is what it looks like. So it's 17,000 naira, and I'm going to scroll up to show you guys. I'm going to scroll up. Yeah, and this I'm going to click on proceed to check out. Good. And this is it where you're going to fill your information, your shipping and or billing information. This is where you're going to fill it up over here. You're going to fill your state, your country, your whatever, and then this is the shipping for Nigerians. This is if you're in Nigeria, this is the whether you're going to, if you're in Lagos or if you want it to be a KOS shipping. So when you're done filling, you can just click on place your order. But as I've placed my order, because I didn't feel it, so this came out. But because I'm going to.
So this hair has a lace frontal and then an L part. You can see. So let me put it on so you can see how it looks on me. Not to forget, this wig has an adjustable band that you can adjust if you have a problem of a small skull, because I have a problem of a small skull. And then it has a clip on the front and 2 clips on the front and 1 clip behind and 1 clip behind, you guys. So I'm just going to put it on so you see how it looks on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, woo! So this hair is the name of this unit is Caterers OP430. You can see it. So I've already showed you guys how I made this order, and the beautiful thing about this is that they have how do I maintain my wig kind of a flyer. So it comes with this to show you how to maintain your wig, so this wig can actually last for you and you can enjoy your wig more. So I'm going to turn and show you guys how this wig looks behind. Oh, can you see how it looks? So you guys, don't waste time to go and make your order, because I'm loving my hair. If you're loving this look, then go and make your order as soon as possible. And I've showed you guys how I made my order. Go and follow them on Instagram at the hair Caterer, and I'm going to leave a link below. I don't know if I can hear in the background, but that's stupid student making noise behind me. Meet my friend at work, okay? You guys, I'm going to see you some other time. Until then, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're here every Tuesdays and Thursdays, sorry, Fridays, as I'm going to post new videos. I love you all.